Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can make your home look more better by customizing your theme, your font. So the process is very simple. So let's dive into the main topic. So you just need to click on the three dot and then shift to the setting. Once you come over here, then here actually you will get a couple of options. As you can see, the basic settings too, all of them. So you just need to go to the appearance. Once you come over here, then you can change the theme color. Here actually you can see we already changed the theme. You can make it dark if it is needed, then you can make it device also. So there is a couple of options you have. Then the customize your toolbar. So if you want to change the toolbar, you can do it. Like if you want to add this one, you can add that. Then you can add all of them. Like if you want to enable this, right here you can see it already been added. So in this way you can one by one add all of them. Then here you have all these necessary things, like you can change the font. Like I'm going to make it very small, you can do it. Then you can customize the font, you can change it as it you want, which font do you want to use. Then the mode, you can set it at anywhere. Then you can make show bookmarks bar, you can disable this one. Then you can automatically show the bookmarks also. So the process is up to you how you want to design your home. So in this way you can do your thing. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.